Hi friends. So now we are having confidence in understanding the sets representation, either it is in roster form or whether it is in set builder form. We are in a position to write the corresponding elements. If they are given in the set builder form, we know how to write now the elements. If elements are alone given and ask us to convert it back to the set builder form, that also we got some familiarity. But now this is a testing time. We have to do some exercise so that we will be in a position to confidently say that yes, now we can face any type of test in the class or anywhere in any competitive exam. How to change this set builder to roster, roster to set builder. So we'll do a set of sums for today and then close this particular concept and go to the next concept in the next class. So today's job is only to test our results by taking some examples, some sums based on the 11th standard CBSE exercises. Let us now revise or test our results on set builder form and the roster form. So let us see the first question. Go to the whiteboard. We'll go to the whiteboard first and then start our work. Yeah. So now today is exercise on set builder form or roster form. Okay. Target is what? Today we should completely understand the writing of elements or from the elements statement. Both we should be in a position to write. First question. They have given one statement asking us to write the elements. Now in this case, what is the statement? Collection of all the months, collection of all the months of a year beginning with J. So for this, is it a statement? It is a statement, semantic form. If you write it in the form of, let us say, set builder, this also can be said as set builder, but right, it is told as only statement. I told you yesterday in the previous class, if it is a set builder notation, they should have started with a flower bracket here, set of all x, such that, like that. Now they have not given any flower bracket. That means it is simply semantic form. So for this, now we have to write the answer. What are the elements with the J? January, then June, January, then June is there, then July is there. I think only three I'm seeing. January, June, July. These are the only months in the year which start with J. So now you got the answer, 1 mark. Like this, they'll give one statement. So next question. Collection of 10 most talented, collection of 10 most talented writers of India. See, this one, I wanted to tell you one thing. Whether this statement can make a set or not, that also sometimes you'll ask. Previous top one, you see, top one is making a set. But the second one, if you understand, collection of 10 most talented writers. Whom all you will write here? What is the criteria for selecting a topmost writer? First of all, each state will have their set of writers. They will be specifically writing on a particular subject. So in this case, you cannot take only 10 people on a particular topic or anything like that. So I feel this cannot come, we cannot form a set at all, because talent testing of a writer is not that easy. Each person will have his own unique talent. So he will write in his own way. That cannot be said that it's not a writing or it's not a poem, it's not a poetry. All are related to individuals or the what you call in that regional related issues. Somebody will write about some nature. So this kind of definition cannot form a set. So better we write here, this is not a set. Most talented word they use it. That is the important point. If they had written how many people are there in India as writers, then you can write all the writers' names if we know. Otherwise, this cannot form a test set. Form a set. Why? Because talent is unique and varies from person to person. So there is no scale. I cannot say that, yeah, because this fellow is popular, he is the only person with whom we have to compare. No, that cannot happen. So that is why this cannot form a set. Let us see the third question. Third question says a team of uh, 11 best batsmen. A team of 11 best batsmen. 11 best batsmen. This is also tough. You cannot say these people are only best batsmen, because occasionally some batsmen will perform very poor, over considered very best. Sometimes a person who is not even considered as a batsman will perform extremely brilliantly in the last overs. We have been seeing. So this cannot form a set. This cannot form a set. So understand here, whenever they say 11 best batsmen, most talented, these words when they use, you can only write here, this cannot form a set, because criteria will vary. Some people will perform, as I told you, very poor. So the person whom we consider now, let us say as a best batsman, if he doesn't perform in my next match, what is the way now we have to remove him from the list of best batsmen? No. Similarly, a bowler whom you consider the best may perform very good batting. So that is why I'm telling this cannot form a set. Next, the collection of all, let us say boys in the class. Collection of all boys in the class. Yes, this will form a set. You can write here name, let us say Suresh, Sudhir, or some names you can write here. It will form a finite set here. Lastly, I'm writing wrong. So all your boys only will be there in this. Okay. If boys are not there, then it will become a null set. That is the thing, right? That is difference. Next, collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Easily we can write here all numbers less than 100, 1, 2, like this you can put up to 99. So this is also a statement from which you made elements. Then next one, the collection of vowels. Collection of collection of, let us say, vowels. This is a well-defined set for you. A, E, I, O, U. Correct. Next question. So how many things we have done now? Sixth one is over. From the statement, we are now writing the elements. That is what we are doing now. Collection of questions in the chapter. Collection of questions. Is it a set or not? They're asking. Yes, it is a set. So question number 1, 2, like that you can write down. It is a set. Next one, collection of most dangerous animals. Collection of most dangerous animals. See again here, it is more like first two sums, first sum what we did like more most talented, best batsman, like that here, most dangerous animals, if I want to list out, it's not a set. I'll tell you what, how it is. Why? Because in no animal can be said as very dangerous. Like sometimes even a dog can bite and then the person can be killed. It's dangerous at that time. So if you only say the tiger and lion, etc., you might make a set of finite dangerous animals, wild animals. Even sometimes non-wild animals can turn out to be dangerous if you provoke them. So better here, most dangerous in that question doesn't arise. All are, as long as some animals are supposed to be wild animals, some are to be tamed, but such animals also can become dangerous in the time whenever sometimes it happens like to people. We have been seeing the reports in the newspapers. Even by the bite of some small dog also, people are dying. Cat also can become danger if you put it in a room. All these things we know. Now, so this is done. Next question you see. This time we have got set builder, like they are given no set builder form. Set of all x such that x is an integer. X is an integer and -3 less than or equal to x less than 7. So we are supposed to now make the elements of this set. Make the elements of the set. They have given definition like this. X is an integer and x is lying between -3 and 7. They have given one symbol is equal to here. That means x is equal to -3. But here they have not given that line, inclined line. Therefore, it's not equal to 7. So definitely in the number line, if you remember, you are having number line very familiar, I think. This is 0, -3, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But you see here, our set will become -3 will be there, -2 should be there, -1 should be there, 0 should be there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements. I cannot write 7 because they have not given the symbol here. So this is set builder notation and you have converted that into roster notation. Roster notation. Okay. Next one. Set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So natural numbers will start with 1. So since they said less than 6, so up to 5. Next, set of all x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. X is a 2-digit natural number. Natural number. Sum of whose digits is 8. So here trick is there. They are telling it is a 2-digit, means beyond a 10, 10, 11, 12, etc. Sum of whose digits is 8. So how do we start? Let us start with first, let us say 2-digit means 1, I will start with 1. Next number to get 8, I must write 17. So 17 is a 2-digit natural number starting with 1. Then give me 1 plus 7 is equal to 18. Next natural number is 2 in the list 1, 2, 3 like that. I am taking the first and second number 2. With 2, 6 can give me 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 3, 5. 35 will give me 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Then 5, 3, 8. 6, 2. 8 will come. After 6, 7. 7 and 1. 8 will come. 8, 0. 80. But here, I want to tell you one thing. 2-digit natural number. So in the natural numbers, 0 is there. 0 is not there. So I should not write 80. But in the list of natural numbers, 80 is there. I can write 80. 8 plus 0, 8, 80. 8. So there is no problem. Why I am not starting with 0? Because it is a natural number. So starting with 1. But 0 is there as you go ahead. 10, 20, 30, there's 0 is there. Like that 80 will also come in the natural numbers. That's why 8 plus 0, 8. 8. What is the next question? X is a prime number which is a set of all x such that x is a prime number. It is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Which is divisor of 60. So what does it mean? It means we are supposed to choose prime numbers which are dividing 60. So 2 is the prime number which will divide the 60. 3 is also a prime number that also will divide 60. 5 is a prime number, it will divide 60. Then 7 doesn't divide. 11 doesn't divide. See, 7 doesn't divide. 11 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. 17, 19, 23, 29. You're seeing now? 29, then 31, then 37. These are all the prime numbers still are there. But only if you count now, 2, 3, 5 only are the answer. So 2, 3, 5 is a set of elements which are prime numbers that divide 60. Next question. 13th one. What is the next question now? Set of all x such that x is all letters of word trigonometry. So now it's very simple for you. We are now doing set builder to roster. Please understand this. T R I, T can write comma, R is there, I is there, G O N. After N, O is there again, repeating not required. M we can write, E we can write, T not required, R not required, Y you can write. This is the answer. So understand clearly, all letters of the word, we should not write all letters. Repeated letters we can remove. Then set of letters in the word better. Set of all x such that x is set of all letters in the word better. You only can tell me. First letter is B, next letter is E, T, second T not required, next E not required. Over. So now you got confidence now, I think. From the set builder, how to write the values. Now, next one. What is the next one? 15th one. Here, this is now roster to set builder they are giving, asking us to do. So they have given here 3, 6, 9, 12. So what is this now? X is a multiple of 3. You can write on that now. What is the answer you see here? First letter is 3. This is 6. This is 9. This is 12. So you can write here set of all x such that x is equal to, you can write here 3n, or simply we'll write down x is a multiple of 3, because you know now 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. So 1, 2, 3, multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, like that. Multiple of 3, and x is less than or equal to 12. So that means all these numbers are covered in this. Next, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So you can write down here. There are many ways you can choose this method. Set of all x such that you observe here 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8. Same like this. Correct or not? So multiple of 2 this is. X is multiple of 2, but x is less than or equal to 8. 8. Next, a is equal to 1, 4, 9 up to 100. 1, 4, 9, 200. You observe here, first number 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9. So that means what last number is 10 square is equal to 100. So we can write here x is equal to n square. Set of all x such that x is equal to n square. N belong to natural number and it is lying between 10. Observe now. I have chosen between 1 and 10, use both sides included. So 10 square is called 100. X is equal to n square condition is matching or not? You see, if you put n is equal to 1, 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, like this, up to only 10 I should go. If I go to 11, what happens? 11 square, 121 will come. 121 is not there in the top question. So therefore, we should limit up to 10. Okay. Good. Next. A is equal to 5, 25, 125, 625, like that. So observe here 5, 5 square, 5 cube, like that it is going on. Same way you can write set of all x, x is equal to, you can write down 5 to the power of n. N belongs to capital N, but 1 less than or equal to n, less than or equal to last number is what for you? 4. Correct now? Yeah. N value should be 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 is called as the 621, 625. So n is limited to 4 only. Yes. Next one. X is equal to, A is equal to 2, 4, 6. So here what is the thing now? All are even numbers. You can write down here set of all x such that x is even and x belongs to n. This is sufficient. X is even number. So even numbers will be starting with 2, 4, like that. No limit. You see infinite set this is. Okay. So I think with this, you got confidence. I also got confidence. By understanding the definition, we have to write the elements. Or by seeing the elements, we should write the statement. That's a simple thing. So hope this exercise will help us to grasp whatever I have been worrying for. So in the next class, we have to go to the very important topic called as subsets and then Venn diagrams and the related sums based on the Venn diagrams, union, intersection, all that is there. Okay. So any doubts are there? you can tell me. We will conclude for today, friends, and keep revising all the sums. Do not waste your time. Okay. Any doubts are there, leave in the columns. Thank you.